Dear guests, dear parents and families, dear students, congratulations to all of you. Yes, today is very important for all of us. I am, as my friend said, came from Turkey, from your brothers. I brought you sincerity and honesty. A great honor for me. I'm a professor also at the University of Uludag in Bursa. It's very close to Istanbul. And also I am Dean of the Faculty of Economics and Administrative Sciences. And also I am studying on international relations. My university is composed of 80,000 students and more than 6,000 scholars. And also in my faculty, we have 13,000 students and more than 2,200 academicians. It is very important for me today to be with you. I know we, both countries' people, are brothers, and we will see the next future together to make very well, both of us. We also have a good relation with Frontier University, especially for 2 years. We signed many agreements in many areas. We try to develop our relation, our cooperation for joint researches, joint conferences, and many areas to share our ideas and experiences with each other. And also, we signed a Mevlana protocol. Maybe you know, some of you know, this program of Mevlana protocol is created by our country. Is providing students coming from outside and going to outside. All of the expenses are met by our country. It composes all the students, bachelor students, MA students, and PhD students. And also it composes the scholars coming from your university, from outside, and going to outside. So this is very similar to the Erasmus program of EU. But we are applying this. We are for all non-EU countries. Again, congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to families, to parents, for giving opportunity to take education in this outstanding university. Congratulations to students for graduating from this distinguished university. You know, education is very important for all of us in our times to solve our problems, to improve our service, to make Somalia great, to make Somalia a developed country, and also to be connected with the world, to change world in favor of our values and desires. Dear students, you should have a dream, you should have a project to change your country, to help humanity, to live in a world in which everybody to be happy, to trust each other, to be better, please. Again, Congratulations to all. Thank you very much.